Mahindra Automotive stands tall as one of India's leading manufacturers of passenger and commercial vehicles and the world's largest tractor manufacturer. In 2011, Mahindra Construction Equipment was established as a proud division of the $19 billion Mahindra Group. From our state-of-the-art 30-acre facility in Chakan, Pune, we design and manufacture machinery that builds nations and shapes the future. From towering skyscrapers to sprawling highways, Mahindra Construction Equipment is at the heart of creating a world that is stronger, smarter, and more sustainable. Keeping the country's environmental needs in mind, Mahindra Construction Equipment has now launched its all-new CEV 5 product range, not just an upgrade, but a revolution. Mahindra EarthMaster SX, SXe, Mahindra RoadMaster G80, G90, and all-new Mahindra RoadMaster G100. Let's explore some key features of these machines. The EarthMaster SX is equipped with a powerful 74-horsepower engine, while the SXe is powered by a 55-horsepower engine. Both are built to excel in heavy-duty tasks with superior efficiency and power. Bigger loader capacity. A 1.1 cubic meter bucket makes the EarthMaster backhoe approximately 8% larger than its competitors. Banana boom provides 7% more reach, ensuring enhanced digging capacity. Hydraulics, optimized hoses, a high-capacity backhoe flow, a loader control valve, and an improved hydraulic circuit reduce pressure losses. Cabin design. A newly designed cabin offers unmatched comfort and convenience, setting a new benchmark for operator experience. RoadMaster G80 and G90, equipped with a powerful 74-horsepower engine, deliver superior fuel optimization and reduced consumption, maximizing profits. Now, let's explore the features of our innovative Mahindra RoadMaster G100. 102-horsepower engine, offering higher pressure and a bigger pump for faster and more precise grading with up to 50-degree blade movement. Features include an HVAC cabin, electric power shift transmission, adjustable seats, Bluetooth audio, and NVH-optimized cooling technology to ensure operator safety and comfort in all conditions. All machines in the CEV 5 range come equipped with iMAXX technology, enabling real-time performance monitoring for better efficiency and productivity. All machines in the CEV 5 range crafted to empower, engineered for excellence, and built to redefine possibilities. Together, let us shape a future that is both prosperous and sustainable. Welcome to the next chapter of prosperity with Mahindra Construction Equipment.